Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and use the NBC app on your Amazon FireStick device step by step. The NBC app lets you watch live TV, catch up on your favorite NBC shows, and enjoy news, sports, and on-demand content directly on your FireStick. This guide works on FireStick, FireStick 4K, FireStick 4K Max, and Fire TV devices, so no matter which version you have, you can follow along easily. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the process. First, from the FireStick home screen, move to the left and select the search option. Once the search screen opens, you'll see an on-screen keyboard that allows you to search for apps available in the Amazon App Store. Here, type NBC using your remote. After entering just a few letters, the NBC app will appear in the search results. Scroll down and select it. Then click on the NBC app icon and press the download or get button. Give it a few moments to install, depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, you can open the NBC app directly from this screen, but I recommend finding it later in your apps section so you always know where it is. To do that, hold down the home button on your remote, select apps, and scroll down to the bottom of the list where newly installed apps usually appear. You will see the NBC app there. Click on it to launch the app. When you open the NBC app for the first time, you'll be welcomed with a clean and modern interface that makes it easy to browse through different categories such as live TV, full episodes, and popular shows. The app works smoothly on Amazon FireStick and Fire TV devices, providing stable performance and high-quality streaming. You can explore the menu, search for your favorite NBC shows, and start watching selected content right away. To unlock full access to live TV and complete episodes, the NBC app may ask you to sign in with your TV provider. Simply choose the sign-in option and an activation code will appear on your FireStick screen. Using your phone or computer, go to the NBC activation website shown on the screen and enter the code. Then select your TV provider and sign in with your account details. Once the activation is successful, your FireStick will automatically refresh and give you full access to all available NBC content. The NBC app offers a wide variety of entertainment, including news programs, sports coverage, drama series, comedy shows, and reality TV. You can watch live broadcasts or stream episodes on demand whenever news, sports, and your favorite NBC shows anytime you want directly from your FireStick device. This app is perfect for users who want a legal and reliable way to stream NBC content without complicated steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future FireStick tutorials and streaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.